How to add multiple email accounts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on the Mail option there. Now tap on Accounts. You can see I already have two accounts set up on my mail. In order to add another account, tap on the Add Account option there. You can now select which account you want to add. You can select from iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOI, Outlook, and other options too. I will select Google here. You can select any of the following options. Now enter your login credentials, that is your email or your phone number, and your password. You will be led to the confirmation page. Tap on Allow. After logging in, choose whether you want to sync your contacts, calendar entries, or notes to your device aside from the Mail app. If you use Google Calendar, all existing meetings or events saved in your Google Calendar will be downloaded to your device's Calendar app. So choose accordingly and tap on the Save option. You can see I now have added an account to Mail successfully. You can tap on that particular account and then tap on your email address and change the Google account information if required and tap on Done. Now open the mail on your device and you can see under mailboxes, I just added one more account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.